Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by checking prerequisites. Sign in with the Apple ID you plan to use, enable Wi-Fi, and update iOS. Once signed in, open Settings and tap your name so Apple ID details load. This ensures purchases and subscriptions sync. Make sure that VPNs or proxies are disabled during setup because they can block verification. Once done, scroll to Media and Purchases to proceed. This is the first actionable place to connect iTunes and the App Store. Next, you tap Media and Purchases and choose Sign In, enter your Apple ID and password, then complete two-factor authentication if prompted. When verification finishes, review the payment method and billing address. Accurate billing info prevents purchase errors. Then, make sure iCloud settings permit syncing for apps and media so your purchases appear across devices. Once those options are toggled on, go to the App Store app and confirm your Apple ID at the bottom to finalize linking. Finally, confirm that App Store and iTunes purchases show in purchase history and that subscriptions appear under your Apple ID. If syncing fails, sign out of Media and Purchases, restart the device, and sign back in. This forces a fresh authentication. If problems persist, reset network settings to clear corrupted connections. Remember, this removes saved Wi-Fi passwords. One key troubleshooting tip: if you see billing or verification errors, check the Apple ID region and payment method. Mismatched.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.